A new car is one of the big investments in life. It will likely be the second biggest investment in your life, demanding a price in terms of tens of thousands of dollars. Most people don't have the cash to buy a new car outright and rely on a car loan to make their dream of owning a new car come true. In this case, real planning needs to go into making this decision because entering into a car loan agreement too fast can lead to some serious financial problems, including the loss of your new car, the money you put into your new car, and the loss of your good credit. Think about the future. When you've found the car of your dreams, make sure that it is indeed the automobile for you. Think about how long the car will last, how much gas it will eat, and how often it will be in the garage versus being on the road. Style is not so much an issue with so many models to choose from, but you need to be mindful of how that style fits your budget. In fact, budget should be the final arbiter of your automotive choices. Car loans are subject to higher interest rates than home loans due to the shorter terms. People with perfect credit scores tend to get the best terms and interest rates on auto financing and are more likely to be approved. Auto lending agencies keep a tighter grip on their lending requirements because, unlike a house, a car is mobile and can disappear, leaving the lender holding the bag. If you have good credit, you're in good shape to get a car loan. But if you have less than perfect credit, you're not out of luck. You may qualify for subprime auto financing, which means paying a little more in interest and putting a little more money down. But the terms and interest rates will still leave you in a good position to get your new car. Just remember what your budget can handle. Looking at your car choices presents you with a mind-boggling array of decisions. Every car maker lists all the great features of their cars, but not their drawbacks. There are independent consumer guides to cars by make, model, and year. These resources are more readily available than ever on the internet. Take your time and study the pros and cons of the car you're considering, and look at the price tag. Know what is in your price range and know what the long-term consequences are going to be when you enter into your car loan agreement. Plan on a 48-month loan term and work from there. Shorter terms are available, but so are longer terms. Being realistic in your car buying needs will have a dramatic effect on your finances over the term of the loan. So it's a good idea to put a 96-month car loan completely out of your head. Excessively long auto financing terms are possible to get, and while they allow you to make lower monthly payments, you'll be paying a ton of money in interest and be upside down on the value of that car. Also, with such long-term car loans, you run the risk of damage due to accident or having the car stolen. Insurance standards are much tougher on long-term car loans, which require full coverage to make sure that the lender doesn't end up with a pile of twisted metal in the repo lot. Cars in this condition are hard to resell. Reality may be hard to live with, even though it's your best friend. If you don't get caught up in the frenzy of new car shopping, you can make a sound financial deal on your new car and your new car loan. When you've made the decision to buy your new car, it should be exciting and not a headache or a constant source of stress. A realistic decision on your new car purchase will have you driving in style without a single regret. Federal Auto Loan. Good credit, bad credit, no credit, all good.